I just want to get it out of the way that I'm not a huge fan of gin, but I have high hopes for this cocktail because if my sister likes it, then everybody's going to like it because it's probably hardly going to taste like alcohol. Anyway, this is the gin gimlet. Alright, first things first, lime juice. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce into our glass. Next, we need to talk about sweetener. Simple syrup, you know I'm a fan of that, 3/4 of an ounce. Lastly, we're going to add 2 ounces of gin, being very careful to spill some on the table. Always keep a rag handy. Now throw that into a tin and get shaken. The origin of this drink is still heavily debated to this day. It ranges from everywhere from pirates using it to prevent scurvy to old-timey doctors using it to defeat the common cold. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour that into our glass, double straining it. Now pour a tall stream as possible, making sure to show off those pit stains your biceps have been cultivating. And last step, as usual, we're going to garnish. Now, a lot of people cut the lime and put it on the cup like that. I like to just drop it in and float it nice and pretty. I think it looks perfectly fine, and I'm lazy. And a good chef always tastes whatever it is he's making. And oh my god, that was really good. I was not expecting it to be that good. It is so crisp and light and cold, and it's just so good. I am not a fan of gin, but that really surprised me. I'm gonna need a minute to think this over. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me.